Rahul Gandhi and other opposition leaders who've been trying to march to the Election Commission office have been detained by the police. Well, they are being taken in buses to the police station. This is, well, these are visuals coming in, live visuals from Sansad Marg at the point where these MPs were detained. They were protesting earlier, and many of them have now been detained by the police. The BJP, meanwhile, clearly saying that these are all lies that have been peddled by the opposition leaders. They've been fact-checked. Rahul Gandhi, remember, has been fact-checked as well by the Election Commission time and again. He had made certain claims over the last few days and he's been fact-checked by the Election Commission. But he continues to peddle lies. This is what the BJP is now saying, and they have nothing much to say. They're demanding a discussion on SIR, but when discussion took place on their previous demand on Operation Sindoor in the House, in the Parliament, then also they didn't have much to say. And this is whole drama, this is clear drama that is being created by the opposition parties. This is what the BJP here is alleging. And Rahul Gandhi, while he was being taken away, detained by the police, taken in this that he wants a fair voter list to be given, well, clear data to be given to the opposition also to see. Looks like
चुनाव को मैनिपुलेट करती है और जब पर्दा उठने लगा है तो पर्दादारी कर रहे हैं।
तो अब कहां लेके जा रहे हैं सर? और
कुछ नहीं पता, किसी हम भी गुफा में लेके जाएंगे। तानाशाह को मजा आ रहा होगा।
30 लोगों की परमिशन क्या दी गई है सर?
दिल में जगह नहीं है, मन में मैल है, नहीं तो जगह की कोई कमी नहीं।
RJD MP Manoj Jha also speaking to the media, clearly saying they have no idea where they are being taken, but they've been detained by the police, and this is clear dictatorship by the BJP government. All right, those visuals coming in of opposition party leaders, and we understand Mahua Moitra. Here in those visuals, well, it's not really clear. We'll try and go to our reporters there and try and get a clear picture of what has happened. Somebody seems to have fainted there. That's Mahua Moitra. We'll try and confirm with our reporter there, but looks like some of the opposition party leaders who've been protesting on the side, somebody seems to have fainted there, while others have been taken to the police station. They've been detained by the police. All right, well, these are visuals coming in from Sansad Marg where these protests have taken place, and we understand the election, the Delhi police had stopped the opposition party MPs from marching ahead to the Election Commission office. The Election Commission, remember, has already given time to the opposition party MPs. 30 MPs are allowed to come to the Election Commission office and speak to them about their concerns of voter fraud that they've alleged. But it looks like the opposition was not ready to go ahead with just 30 MPs. Well, this big march that has taken place today consisted of around 300 MPs, opposition party MPs, who tried to go to the Election Commission office, and dramatic scenes we've seen have unfolded on the streets of Delhi here as opposition party MPs tried to go ahead with their concerns and demands to the Election Commission office, but they were stopped by the Delhi police. There, my colleague Vasudha is also now joining us on the broadcast here. Vasudha, we understand many of these MPs, including Rahul Gandhi, who were trying to go ahead to the Election Commission office, have been detained now by the cops, and we have visuals also coming in. Somebody seems to have fainted there as well.
That's right, Kitty. Just a short while ago, there was a lot of action here. This is the road that leads to the Election Commission of India. You see the just a short while ago, Akhilesh Yadav, who is the head of Samajwadi Party and also former Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, he was detained by police and he was seated next to Derek O'Brien. He was taken away to by the police. What we understand is that Election Commission of India has also said that Jairam Ramesh had acknowledged that the meeting between ECI and the opposition delegation was only for 30 MPs, but he has changed his tone. That's what ECI sources have told us now. But clearly a day of united opposition today, with all the opposition parties opposing the Election Commission's way of electoral rolls, and they all agreeing with the Congress party when it comes to vote theft. The protest started around 11:30 after the houses got adjourned. And after that, the MPs, 300 of them, marched to the Election Commission of India. And here was where the barricades were all laid out. And after that, some of them were detained. Akhilesh Yadav held a separate protest. And in fact, he questioned what right does the Election Commission of India have to ask Rahul Gandhi to cite all his claims on affidavit, because he said that he has been doing the same with Election Commission of India for the last.
लगातार हाउस में उठा जा रहा है, फिर करते हैं।
ठीक है मैम मैम जिस तरह से आप लोग प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे थे,
शेम
क्या कहेंगे मैम, डिटेल करके पुलिस
हम शांतता मार्ग से ही हमारी लड़ाई जारी रहेगी।
तो अब आगे किस तरह से मैम करेंगे?
महात्मा गांधी जी को आदर्श मानते हैं, उसी तरह हम आगे लड़ाई करते रहेंगे।
मैम क्या 30 लोगों को परमिशन दी गई है?
All right, Supriya Sule and other opposition party MPs, as they continue their protest here, and we understand many of these MPs have been taken to the police station. Rahul Gandhi also, those visuals coming in of the bus in which he is being taken along with other opposition parties MPs to the police station as they've been detained now. Their protest march was stopped by the Delhi cops there. The BJP Vasudha clearly saying that this is clear drama that has been staged by the opposition party MPs. While on the one hand, they were already given time by the EC to meet the Election Commission and raise their concerns, speak to them about the voter fraud allegations that they've been raising. But all right, I'm being told Vasudha will be joining us back in just a bit. Meanwhile, these are latest visuals coming in at the moment of Rahul Gandhi along with other party MPs and opposition party MPs in that bus as they are being taken to the police station. They've been detained. While we understand there are a few other opposition party leaders who've been who were a part of this protest march that was being taken out by the opposition leaders to the Election Commission office. Some of them had also fainted during this protest march. They've been taken to the hospital as well. But remember, the Election Commission has given time to the opposition party MPs. In that letter to Jairam Ramesh, the Election Commission had said that 30 opposition party MPs are allowed to come to the EC office and speak to them. But despite that, we've seen this huge ruckus as well as drama unfolding on the streets of Delhi as the opposition parties allege that there have been massive irregularities and voter fraud allegations that have been leveled by them against the EC. But also at the same time, we must understand that Rahul Gandhi has been fact-checked by the Election Commission over the last few days as he made those claims of voter theft in different parts of the country. In Bengaluru, he said in UP also he had made, for UP also he had made certain claims, after which he was fact-checked by the Election Commission. And he